Alright, gang, I'm giving a quick review of the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Star-Lord t-shirt that Mercoid is selling, and looks pretty nice. This one's a medium. I'm about 205, 5'11", and it's form-fitting. Um, it's very warm. The material is very warm, let me say that. So you can still wear a jacket with it, but I think it's going to get kind of hot. I definitely wouldn't recommend it for the summer, but at night it works. It's pretty nice overall. Um, I don't know what else I can say. The logo, it definitely reminds you of the movie right after he smells it, see if it's a clean shirt. So I intend to buy the jacket and the pants for it pretty soon for a Halloween costume, but I guess you can wear it for everyday use. Hopefully, it helps and see how it looks. So yeah, all right, there you go. Thanks. Bye.